All right, I'm going to go through probably 6 to 12, well, let's say we'll do 18 rounds, about 18 rounds coming out of the duty pistol. So the last couple of weeks I've come out, I've shot the snub nose 38, I've shot the Glock 45 iron sights, and we're working with the Glock 17 iron sight, but my duty pistol, I run a red dot. Now, I have not shot my duty pistol probably in 3 to 4 months. That's a little bit longer than I like. And I know without even looking at it that my red dot probably has a lot of gunk and a lot of lint and a lot of dirt on it. But I want to leave it that way so that I can do my shots today and see where I'm at. It's very unlikely that in the situation when I have to utilize my duty pistol that red dot's going to be, you know, in great working condition, or everything's going to be clean, or I'm going to be able to have, you know, perfect lighting or whatever. So I want to see how I work with the pistol that I haven't shot in a while, potentially with a dirty optic, and just see how it runs and if I can make that adjustment. So we're going to go cold and just see what happens. All right. Okay, we're going to go 6 rounds, Glock 45, 9mm, running a Hollow Sun 5.3C. I'm going to load and make ready. Coming off a par timer, stand by. All 6 shots, low and left. 1, 2, 3, 4 on, 2 off. Round 2. Load and make ready. Firearm is ready. Par time, stand by. Six shots. 2 in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 hits, 1 off. Round 3. That is 6. Load and make ready. Firearm is ready. Par timer, stand by. Much better. 3, 6, 9. Last 6 rounds. Round 4. Load and make ready. Firearm is ready. Stand by. Six shots.